Today we're going to be starting our Winter Wonderland self-portrait. So you're going to need a few things. 2 of these small pieces of paper, 1 of these big pieces of paper, a big paintbrush, a Sharpie to write your name, and your table's paint. Ooh la la. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start by writing my name on the back of this big piece of paper. Remember, you're also writing your class code. So, for instance, if your teacher's name starts with a C and you're in 2nd grade, you would write C2 and circle it. Now, I'm going to start, I've already started a little bit, painting with the blue, which is in the middle, my sky. So it's just going to be our background, so you can paint it all. You're not leaving any white. You want it to be even. Okay, I've painted my blue paper. I'm going to set this at the top of my table so that it can dry. Now I'm going to bring one of my small pieces of paper to the table, and I might just go ahead and write my name on both of these so that I don't forget, and my class code so that we can find them next time. And we are going to paint our skin color on this first one. So it's okay if you get a little bit of paint in there. We're going to cover it up. Before you can switch colors, what do you have to do with your paintbrush? I've got to rinse it off in the water, and then I've got to towel that off. Be sure that you get it nice and dry with that paper towel so that when you switch colors, it doesn't get a whole bunch of water in your paint. I'm ready to paint my face. So I'm going to look at these colors we have. We have some yellow, some skin color, we have brown, we have a little bit of white. So if your skin was lighter than this skin color here, you would add a little bit of white to it. If your skin is darker or like more tan like Miss Cartmill's, you would add a little bit of brown to that color. So I'm going to start with this color. And to make it a tan color, I'm going to add just a little bit of brown. So get a little dot, and a little goes a really long way. You don't want to get a whole lot in there. You're going to mix it up. You're going to paint the whole sheet, just like we painted our whole sheet blue. Okay, so I've painted my face color, painted the whole thing, and look how I really tried to mix all that in so it's a nice and even color. So now I'm ready to put this at the top of my table with my blue paper. You could even put it on top probably. And I'm going to bring this next paper in front of me. Gotta go wash my paintbrush off, dry it off my paper towel. I'm going to get all that water out so I don't get my paint all watery. And now I'm going to do my hair color. So as you can see, you've got brown, black. If you have red hair, you have orange or yellow for blonde hair. So some of you might have a little mixture of both. You might have kind of blondish red hair. So maybe you want to mix a little bit of both. Now we're making sure that we don't mix up our color pods. See how this one's already gotten a little mixed up with my blue? We don't want that to happen. So try to keep that from happening. But you're gonna paint this whole piece of paper, just like the other two. Okay, so I have my hair paper. I'm gonna put that back in the water. Okay, so I have 3 pieces of paper that are completely painted. You're gonna go and put these on the drying rack to dry. Have fun with this, guys.